Fyrirgefðu, afsaki að þú fyrir mér, fyrirgefðu.
Hei, við fundum hann, gamli refur, gamli refur out.
What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding. The bridesmaid to wait, but what a shame the poor groom's bride is a whore. I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these.
Oh, so, we missed him, man. Okay, after the BB.
Chime in, haven't you people ever heard of door? No, it's much better to face these kinds.
Bye. Woohoo!
Well, I'll look at it this way. I mean, technically, our marriage is saved.